Good afternoon, everyone. I am Samantha May A. Valiente, and I'm going to discuss about the classroom assessment. So, ano nga ba ang classroom assessment? Can you please read, Lorea? Okay, thank you for reading. So, ang classroom assessment ay isang proseso kung saan sinusukat ang kaalaman, kasanayan at pag-unawa ng mga mag-aaral. So, ginagamit ito upang malaman kung epektibo ang pagtuturo at kung paano mapapabuti ang pagkatuto ng mga estudyante. Formative assessment o ang pansamantalang pagsusuri. Ito ay ginagawa habang nagtuturo upang makita kung naiintindihan ng mga mag-aaral ang isang aralin. Pangalawa, summative assessment o ang pangwakas na pagsusuri. Ito naman ay ginagawa sa pagtatapos ng isang aralin o unit upang sukatin ang kabuuang pagkatuto ng mag-aaral. Pangatlo ay ang diagnostic assessment o ang paunang pagsusuri. Ito naman ay ginagamit bago simulan ang isang paksa upang malaman ang antas na kaalaman at pangangailangan ng mga estudyante. Panghuli ay ang performance-based assessment. Dito naman ay kailangan ipakita ng mga mag-aaral ang kanyang kaalaman at kasanayan sa pamamagitan ng aktwal na gawain. So why do you think classroom assessment is important? Classroom assessment is important because it plays a central role in the teaching and learning process. It's not just about giving tests or assigning grades. It's about understanding how students learn and making sure they are truly absorbing what's being taught. Through various forms of assessment like quizzes, observations, group work, self-reflection, or class discussion, teachers gather valuable information about their students' knowledge, skills, and thinking processes. These informations can help teachers identify the strengths and weaknesses of the learners. It allows them to adjust their instruction to better meet the needs of all learners. Assessment also helps students become more aware of their own learning. In short, classroom assessment ensures that learning is effective, responsive, and student-centered. It helps the teachers teach better and help learners learn better, making it a powerful tool for success in the classroom. And that's all for my part. Thank you for listening.